Hey, let's have some fun making some 4th of July firecracker treat boxes. They'll hold candy or small treats. The supply list will be at the end of the post. We're going to cover our toilet paper tubes in the decorative paper, and then we're going to have fun decorating them. So the tube is going to be wrapped up in the paper, and we're going to cut it to size. To go all the way around the tube on mine, I measured, and it takes 6 inches to go all the way around with a little bit of overlap. So we're going to make the paper 6 inches one direction, and then we are going to make the paper an inch longer on one end. I'm going to make it 3 inches longer on the other end. Okay, so my tube is about 4 inches long, so I'm going to make this 8 inches by 6 inches. So you measure your tube, and depending on what size it is, you're going to add an inch for one end and 2.5 to 3 inches for the other end. I'm making 3 of these, so I'm going to go ahead and cut all 3 of these pieces of paper at one time. From the extra part of the paper, draw around the tube, and you're going to be cutting a circle the same size as the bottom of the tube, and cut this out. Cutting all 3 at once to go a little faster. Now I have 3 circles, 1 of each color, and they will fit over the bottom of the tube and finish it off. Okay, so my tube is going to run this direction, so I'm going to turn it face down, and then I'm going to wrap this around the tube so that it's about 1 inch from the bottom edge and about 2.5 inches from the top edge. And I'm going to tape this on. This paper is kind of stiff, so I think tape will work best. So let's now close off the bottom end of the tube. So make sure you have the end that's only about 1 inch away from the toilet paper tube. And we're going to cut some slits from the top of the edge down that are about 1/2 inch apart to 3/4 of an inch apart. And go all the way around the tube. So it's like this. So I was going to just glue these in place, but I'm going to go ahead and use this little round circle and just glue it on top of those. And I'm pulling in my heavy-duty hot glue here to do that. Be careful with this step, you don't burn your fingers. But this finishes it off so nicely, and it sits up nicely as well. We possibly will want them to sit up on the table. Okay, so that's the bottom edge. Now on the other end, we're going to cut little slits from the top down to the tube, and you're going to make these slits very close together, like 1/8 of an inch together. Because this is supposed to look like the firecracker top exploding. It's almost like a fringe at the top. So I'm cutting all the way down to the top of the tube right here. Okay, so now I've cut this fringy all the way around, and this is going to be the top kind of explosion part of the firecracker. Before we finish off the top, we're going to add our candy in there. I maybe should have done this before I fringed it, but I just pushed the fringe out slightly, and then I put my candy inside. And this holds more candy than you'd think. All right, now let's tie off the top. So we're going to add in a couple pipe cleaners to add a look of some more explosion. So I'm going to fold one of these silver ones in half and kind of wrap it around my finger along with the fringe. And what do you think? Maybe a red one? Then you can tie these with a ribbon, or I'm just going to use another pipe cleaner. Put that in the center, and then gather this around and wrap a pipe cleaner around it gently so you don't tear the paper, and twist it, and then I'm going to curl it slightly as well, and I'm going to put a little drop of hot glue on there just to make sure it stays. There's our firecracker with the top tied. Now we need to have a little bit of fun decorating these. So I'm going to use washi tape, but you could also cut strips of paper to put around the edge here. I love washi tape. So after you've made your first one, it'll go even faster for the next ones. I'm going to make 2 more. These firecracker treat boxes are an easy 4th of July craft. For more great craft ideas, come on over to welcometobananas.com and join the fun. For supplies, you're going to need some decorative paper. For those of us in America, that will be red, white, and blue. Some toilet paper rolls. Some pipe cleaners, I chose red and silver and white. Some washi tape for decorating, and a scissors and a glue stick or some type of glue. Lastly, you're going to need some candy to put inside the toilet paper tubes. And that's it.